sorry about the wet hair. I wanted to unbox my order from Hirt's Garden, and it came 2 days early, so I wasn't prepared for it, but I don't want to keep the plants in the box without, you know, giving them some love. So I figured that, screw it, I'll just do it right after my shower and show you guys what I got from Hirt's Garden. Okay, so I actually ordered these all online because I'm not entirely sure if my garden centers are, well, I know a couple of them are open, but they're not perfect, and there's a lot of reflection going on in my glasses. What are you gonna do? Okay, so, and as you can see, this is the very first time I've opened these, so let's see what we got. These are my standard Bernhardt Peony bare roots. Staple's tough. Very Hulk right now. And let me show you what that looks like. Can you see? It's more like dirt and soil than it is actual plant matter. I'm trying to pull one of these out. My hands haven't been sanitized, so I'm a little worried about touching them, but so that's what a bare root of a Sandra Bernhardt Peony looks like. And it says they come with 3 to 5 eyes, and that's pretty good. Looks like it's in good condition. We'll plant it and see what happens. I don't entirely know if it's going to work the way I want it to in the spot that I'm thinking, but we'll see. Next, I got 2 Citronella plants. I had 2 very, very beautiful, just huge, bushy Citronella plants, but unfortunately they did not survive the winter in my enclosed front porch. So these are pretty critical for us because we have a ton of mosquitoes in our backyard. And there's one. Oh yeah, that's a way more lemony than I'm used to. It is, yeah. I'm not gonna pretend that I can say the Latin name, so let's see if you can read it. Got 2 of those. Let's see what the other guy looks like. He also looks like he's in good condition, huh? There's a couple of little spots, but these should bush out, is that a word? Quickly. Lastly, this is my reward plant for one of the goals I had set for myself this month. And this guy is a fusion white Calathea. A fusion white Calathea. So, and this is just basically like my poor man's version of the variegated Monstera plants that you see all over Instagram. And let's get this one up. Get all this off you. And actually, FYI, whenever you buy plants online, can't see me talk, can you? Whenever you buy plants online, you usually have to deal with a ton of dirt. And actually, Hirt's was pretty good with it. There's not a ton of dirt and lost soil in there, so I'm actually pretty impressed by that. And it's pretty wet actually, so it looks like they just